This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: engine version, input mappings, and required plugins. Do this now so you avoid later conflicts. Once done, install ALS V4 into your project and enable it. Next, open the provided sample map and spawn the ALS pawn to see baseline behavior. Make sure to enable play in editor and watch movement defaults. These first steps get you hands-on immediately so you can iterate on settings rather than guess later. Now configure core systems. Open the ALS character blueprint and tune movement parameters like max speed, acceleration, and braking to match your design goals. While there, adjust rotation rates and camera spring arm settings so movement feels responsive. Next, wire aim offsets and animation blend times to prevent popping. Then map sprint, crouch, vault, and directional inputs in project settings. Test each action in PIE. Once you've iterated, lock in values and finish by integrating your animation assets. Create montages, set layered IK, and link locomotion states to your state machine so transitions remain smooth. Once integrated, test multiplayer replication by running server and client instances. Verify authoritative movement, prediction, and correction behavior. Make sure root motion and network smoothing are consistent. If things go wrong, first reproduce the issue, then isolate by disabling prediction or reducing replication rate. Often correcting input mapping or animation sync resolves drift and teleportation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.